I'm Allison Terrazini, a Senior Section Manager with the Building Design and Construction Division. Let's talk about some existing, upcoming, and proposed public facilities in the county. Every community needs public facilities to grow, thrive, and to meet the needs of its residents and businesses. Some examples of public facilities include schools, police, fire and rescue stations, the courthouse, community centers, libraries, family and social service centers, affordable housing and shelters, parks and recreation centers, and the county transportation and utility maintenance facilities. These types of public facilities contribute to our quality of life by providing necessary services for both individuals and groups in the community. And there are always new projects under review by the county. Currently, the fire department is upgrading and renovating many of its fire stations, as well as the county libraries. There are also several potential projects on the horizon for the Tysons area, including a new police station and fire station, a library, and other utility infrastructure upgrades. Fairfax County's Building Design and Construction Division has won multiple awards in recent years for several public facilities, including the Dolly Madison Library, the Reston Police Station, Bailey's Shelter and Supportive Housing, and the Woodlawn Fire Station. The Dolly Madison Library has been operating since 1957 and went under a major renovation and expansion in 2011. The new library design, site layout, and environmental improvements were a result of collaboration between the county and the surrounding community. The library serves as a visible example of sustainable design by using natural resource conservation and energy-efficient strategies. The main feature showcases a floor-to-ceiling glass exterior wall designed to engage the inside with the outdoors, creating the impression of being within the forest. The combined Reston Police Station and Government Center building has a welcoming public interface while keeping the police department section safe and secure. Public art is incorporated into the facility with a large sculpture named Helping Hands, located at the front entrance of the building to symbolize the relationship between the police, county government, and the community. The Bailey Shelter and Supportive Housing Facility is the first of its kind in Fairfax County and combines the emergency shelter program with permanent supportive housing and provides a medical care facility and other supportive services. Unique to this facility and an asset to its residents is the open-air outdoor sunken plaza to allow for a safe and secure space for activity and conversation while being surrounded by natural landscaping and light. A custom mural decorates the space, which depicts the aspects of the Bailey's Crossroads history and is intended to display a sense of community while adding brightness and color to the space. The new Woodlawn Fire Station, which was completed in 2021, replaced the original station built in 1970. The new station was carefully constructed on the adjacent property, all while maintaining 24/7 emergency operations out of the existing station. Throughout the design and construction process, the community was very involved, including input and participation from community artists to complete beautifully crafted interior and exterior murals. Key to any good design in the county is its comprehensive approach and sustainability. And in fact, Woodlawn Fire Station is on track to be the county's first U.S. Green Building Council's certified LEED Platinum facility. The Building Design and Construction Division consists of highly qualified and trained project management professionals. A rigorous design process is undertaken for every project to evaluate opportunities for co-location of services, collaborating with agencies to understand their needs, coordinating community engagement, and selecting the architects and engineers to address specific needs. The division also prioritizes environmentally friendly designs by incorporating sustainable design practices, such as reducing the carbon footprint by lowering energy use, utilizing renewable energy technology, designing buildings and sites to limit water usage, and incorporating native species in all landscaping plans. These planning and design practices ensure that Fairfax County has the most well-planned, well-built, and environmentally friendly facilities in the country.